Welcome to this presentation of the Autodesk Vault collaboration and Microsoft SharePoint integration. The following streaming demonstration provides an operational overview of the integration between Vault collaboration and SharePoint as facilitated by Autodesk Vault Connect. The key topics include setting the context of the demonstration followed by the actual operational steps that the user might encounter in exchanging data between Vault collaboration and SharePoint. This diagram illustrates how Vault collaboration interacts with SharePoint. The demonstration sequences start with setting the stage in SharePoint and noting the data that exists and will be changed. This will be followed by highlighting the Vault collaboration environment. Within Vault collaboration, data will be modified and initiation of the data transfer from Vault collaboration to SharePoint will be conducted. Vault Connect's gatekeeper capabilities are highlighted. This is an optional step that allows users to review data before it's actually written to the SharePoint environment. And then finally, the results of the data transfer in SharePoint will be shown. In this first sequence, we will examine the existing conditions within the SharePoint environment. This will include a highlight of the existing document library, as well as custom properties that have already been established in SharePoint, followed by a review of its current build structure. We will start with a look at SharePoint. Within SharePoint, the CAD data is stored as a normal document within a library. Properties are used to store information about the drawing. In the integration between Vault collaboration and SharePoint, attributes from the file in Vault collaboration are mapped to document properties in SharePoint. Any number of custom or system properties from Vault collaboration can be mapped to SharePoint. To show the revision of the file published from Vault collaboration, the revision property is required. As an option, a web part can be included to support additional functions to CAD drawings. From each document, the new menu options include View Drawing, Edit in AutoCAD, and Where Used Composed Of. The View Drawing option allows for the ability to view the CAD drawing if a viewable image is stored within SharePoint. The Edit in AutoCAD option allows the drawing to be loaded into AutoCAD directly from SharePoint. The Where Used Composed Of option displays the relationships between CAD drawings. Users are able to see the drawings that make up a drawing or compose the drawing as well as see where the drawing is being used in other drawings. Looking further at document 7020-2771, selecting the Where Used Composed Of option displays three related drawings. These drawings are XREFs within drawings that were created when Revision A was saved into SharePoint from Vault collaboration. Bringing up the Vault collaboration application, the first thing we are shown is the Vault Explorer. There is an equivalent file, 7020-2771.dwg, at Revision A in Vault collaboration for the one that we just saw in SharePoint. In reviewing the Uses tab, we see the Revision A has the same three parts in its structure. We are going to modify this object to update SharePoint. To do this, we will change its state to Work in Progress, thus creating Revision B. We will then edit the file. First, we will modify the custom attribute from electrical assembly to mechanical assembly. Next, we will review its structure. We want to edit the structure of this assembly. Within AutoCAD, we have added two new reference files starting with 4006. When we check in the file to Vault collaboration and go to the Uses tab, we see the two files were added to its structure. We then change the status of these files to Released. The new release state is reflected for these files in the Vault Explorer view. At this point, we go through the Vault Explorer to find another file that is in work in progress. We will select file 2191-0089-01-e1.dwg. Looking at its properties, we see that the value of the custom property is outside process assembly. Going to the Uses tab, it consists of two reference files. The file will be released by performing a change state command and selecting Released for all selected files. The new release state is reflected in the Vault Explorer view. In the following sequence, we will show how data is transferred from Vault collaboration to SharePoint. This process includes selecting the files that will be exported, executing the Publish option, which allows for characterizing the configurations of specifically what data is transferred, and overviewing the activation of that transfer. Within Vault Collaboration, the two records have been selected. From the Tools menu of Vault Collaboration, you see a Publish function. Vault Connect can be set up to publish by either an intentional push or automated. In this case, we are doing an intentional push for demonstration purposes, but we could just as easily set up Vault Connect to automatically query for everything that has been recently released. Once selected, a Publish window is displayed. Vault Connect creates a job to store all the information that is being published. The job type determines what target application will receive the published information from Vault Collaboration. You can then prioritize and update the job title and its description to make it easier to identify once submitted. You could search and select more files from Vault Collaboration, but in this case, we are just exporting these two items. By clicking on Submit, our new job is submitted, a job number is assigned, and the information is exported out of Vault Collaboration. At this point, the update to SharePoint can be automated or performed intentionally. In this next sequence, we'll show how Vault Connect can serve as a pre-published approval option. This allows users to review data before it's actually written to the SharePoint environment. The intentional update is what we call our gatekeeper interface. This allows a person such as a configurator analyst to review the information prior to the update to the SharePoint environment. As you can see, any of the jobs that have been submitted reflect their current status, and each job can be reviewed. Going through the list, we find our new job RevB published that is awaiting approval. By selecting it, we are able to approve, view, or stop the job from being processed. By selecting Approve, an update is sent to SharePoint. The gatekeeper will wait for a response to provide status of the update process. In this case, the job was approved with a job status update to success. We will now close the gatekeeper and go back to SharePoint. And finally, in the last sequence, we will highlight the results of the transaction in SharePoint. This will be reflected by reviewing if the Vault Collaboration data has been transacted and if changes to the bill structure have been updated to the existing item. There should also be a creation of a new item, update of its properties, and bill structure as well. In SharePoint, we now see that document 7020-2771 is at RevB. In reviewing its properties, we see that the custom properties have been updated with the information from Vault Collaboration associated to RevB of the file. Going to the Where Used Composed Of option and selecting Composed Of, we see that the bill of materials for the document has been updated. Each revision of the document published to SharePoint will have its own bill of materials structure, providing a complete BOM history for the drawing within SharePoint. Going back to the list of documents, we select Part 2191-0089-01-E1 that was also published from Vault Collaboration. Going to its property page, we see that the Vault Collaboration properties information has been updated. Choosing Where Used Composed Of from the Context menu, we see that the drawing relationship information has been updated. This concludes the demonstration of the integration between Vault Collaboration and SharePoint. As shown, any information can be updated via the integration from Vault Collaboration to SharePoint. This includes the file properties, bill of materials, or any associated files. The process can be automated or done via an intentional push or update. Thank you for taking the time to review the demonstration of the Vault Collaboration and SharePoint integration, as facilitated by Vault Connect. Additional contact information is provided on this slide.